Hello everyone, welcome to our channel NJP Coaching. Myself NJ Saikia. Today I am going to discuss a few multiple choice questions regarding the chapter Polynomials of class 9 General Maths under both SEBA and CBSE. Okay, let us start the questions one by one. The first question is, this is a very important question. Options may be different. So frequently this type of one question comes in exam. Which one of the following is a polynomial? Tolor kuntu eta bahupod rakhi. Yat sarita option dia ase, sarita optioner pora eta bahupod rakhi ami basibo lage. So bahupod rakhi hobole hole ki hobo lage? Variable tur power whole number hobo lage. So ami jodi option keta chao. In option A, root over twice x, that means power of the variable is half. In option B, so 5x plus 1 is not a factor of the numerator. So we cannot divide exactly. So we cannot find out the power of the variable x as a whole number. So this is also not a polynomial. And here 1 by x, that means power of the variable is minus 1. And last one, root 2 into x. What is the power of the variable? X to the power 1. So D is the right answer. Tolor kuntu bahupod rakhi hobo. Prothom tu nohoy. X or oporot root over ase. Gotike yar power to hobo x to the power half. Yar denominator to numerator to cancel najay. Gotike yar ami power to determine koribo noaru. Aru yar 1 by x ase, 1 by x means x or power minus 1. First term to x or power 3, kintu next term to x or power minus 1. And last option D, x or power 1. Power of the variable is 1, which is a whole number. Jitu eta guta sankha hobo. So D is the right answer. Next question. The value of the polynomial x cube minus x square plus 2x minus 1 at x equal minus 1. One polynomial is given, x cube minus x square plus twice x minus 1. And at x equal 1, at x equal minus 1, we have to find the value of the polynomial. Etu eta ekebare simple question, aru ahi thoka question, enaka question khubei ahe. Ami polynomial to ase x cube minus x square plus 2x minus 1. Aru yat at x equal minus 1. At x equal minus 1. Minus 1. That means we have to put the value of x equal minus 1. So minus 1 cube minus minus 1 square plus 2 into minus 1 minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Minus 1 to the power 3, that means it will remain minus 1. And minus 1 square is plus 1. 2 into minus 1 minus 2. And this is minus 1. All are negative. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 5. So, kuntu buddha uttor hobo? Option number A. Minus 5. So the value of the polynomial, given polynomial at x equal minus 1 is minus 5. Okay. Next question. Very simple. The coefficient of x square and given polynomial is x cube minus x square plus 2x minus 2. So where is x square? This one. So what is the coefficient? Minus 1. The coefficient of x square is minus 1. Ami x square hohog ba odho hohog buli kau ohomya. So x square hohog hobo minus 1. Very simple. Next. Which one of the following is not a polynomial? প্ৰথম কুৱেশ্যনটো আমি পাইছিলো তলৰ কোনটো এটা বহুপদ ৰাখি আৰু এই কুৱেশ্যনটো সুধিছে তলৰ কোনটো এটা বহুপদ ৰাখি নহয়. That means in negative sense all are polynomials except one. So root 5 is a polynomial. This is called a constant polynomial. Pi is a polynomial, constant polynomial. And 0 is also a polynomial. It is known as zero polynomial. This is not a polynomial because what is the power of y? Y to the power half. Square root of 5y. That means 5 to the power half, y to the power half. This is coefficient, but what is the power of the variable? Half. So if the power of the variable is not a whole number, then that is not a polynomial. So our right option is D. Root over 5y is not a polynomial. Root over 5y eta বহুপদ ৰাখি নহয়. Next, come to this question. Degree of polynomial 0. Okay, we are getting so many types of polynomials. Quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial. Degree of a quadratic polynomial is 2, degree of a cubic polynomial is 3. But here it is mentioned the polynomial is 0. This is a constant, and there are two types of constant polynomials. One is non-zero constant and one is zero constant. Zero constant specially known as zero polynomial, and we cannot find the degree of a zero polynomial. Since the polynomial is 0, we cannot find the degree of 0. So it is undefined. Next question. What is the 0 of this polynomial? 2x plus 1. We have to know what is 0 of a polynomial. The real value of the variable of a polynomial when the polynomial becomes 0. So this polynomial will become 0 when x equal, what is x? This polynomial will become 0 for what value of x? Twice x equal minus 1, then x equal minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 is the 0 of this polynomial. This is a linear polynomial, only one 0 we will get. So that 0 is minus 1 by 2. Very simple question, and it is important also. It generally comes in exam. Next question. Linear binomial. Do not confuse about this. What is a binomial? Binomial means terms, number of terms 2. So number of terms may be 2, but on that number of terms, whether it may be 2, 3, 4, anything, degree of a polynomial does not depend on the number of terms, but degree depends on the power of the variable, highest power of the variable. So linear polynomial means power is 1, highest power is 1. So what is the degree of a linear polynomial? Degree of a linear polynomial is 1. Okay? 0, 2, minus 1, it cannot be. Next question. Next question. One polynomial is given. Polynomial is x minus, polynomial is x square minus 5x plus 6. Okay, if x minus 3 is a factor of the polynomial, then, okay, there is a printing mistake. X minus 3 is a factor of the polynomial px equal x square minus 5x plus 6. This part is not required. not equal 0. Equal 0 by mistake, in printing this is wrong. So think about this. X minus 3 is a factor of the polynomial px equal x square minus 5x plus 6. Then which one of the following is true? Jodi x minus 3 px a polynomial tour jodi eta utpadak hoy, tetia hole tolor kuntu shuddho hobo. Ami janu x minus 3 factor hole, so 0 of this, what is the 0 of x minus 3? 0 of x minus 3 is 3. So P3 will become 0. So where is P3? Number A. P3, remember that if x plus 3 is a factor of a polynomial, then P minus 3 equals 0. If x minus 3 is a factor of the polynomial, then P plus 3 equal 0. So option A is the right answer. Okay. Next. One polynomial is given. This is the polynomial x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6. What is the value of P0? Ekkebare sohoj proshno. Eta polynomial dia ase x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6. So the value of P0. That means at x equals 0, what is the value of the polynomial? Value of the polynomial at x equals 0. x0 hole a polynomial to value kiman hobo. That means we can find directly P0. That means this x cube means 0 cube. 4x square means 4 into 0 square plus x plus 6. X in 0, 0, 0. We have to put the value of x equals 0 and these all become 0. So what is the answer? Option number 6. 6 is the right answer. So option C will give the answer. Next question. The remainder when this polynomial is divided by x minus 1. So no need to divide for this question. There is a theorem called remainder theorem. So according to remainder theorem, suppose divisor a linear polynomial is given x minus 1. Eto eta roikhik bahupad, that means power 1, variable of power 1. Aru yat ki hobo, variable of power jeta 1 hoy. Tetia ami divide nokora koi a polynomial to divide koile remainder ki thakibo directly uliabo parim. So according to remainder theorem, if divisor is x minus 1, then P1 will give the remainder. If divisor is x plus 1, then P minus 1 will give the remainder. So what is P1 for this polynomial? We have to find out 2 into 1 cube plus 5 into 1 square minus 3 into 1 minus 2. So on calculation we will get a value and that will be the remainder. 2 into 1 cube means 1, 5 into 1 square means 1, this is 3 into 1 3, and 2 plus 5 minus 3 minus 2 plus 2 cancel and 5 minus 3 equal 2. So what is the remainder? Option D gives the right answer, that is 2. 2 is the remainder. So we can find easily in this type of questions that what is the remainder when a polynomial is divided by a linear polynomial by using the remainder theorem. Okay, but divisors should be a linear polynomial. Remember this. Okay, fine. Next question. Okay, this is a question, a typical type of questions. X to the power 91 plus 90. X to the power 91 plus 90. So whatever the power, it may be higher than that. But to find the remainder, if we do not use the remainder theorem and if we divide directly this polynomial by x plus 1, then a long page we need. A long page. Even in a single page we cannot find, because x to the power 91, so many times we have to write, so many times we have to divide. But if we use the remainder theorem, so this is the divisor, linear polynomial. So what is the zero of this polynomial? Minus 1. So we have to find p minus 1 if px is this one. If px equal x to the power 91 plus 90. And again, the power, whatever it is, 91 or higher than that, we have to see that minus 1 to the power 91, this is odd, and plus 90. So if it is odd, then minus 1 to the power 91 is always minus 1. And if it is even, power is even, suppose the power is 150, so minus 1 to the power 150 always plus 1. So minus 1 to the power 91, minus 1 plus 90. So what is the result? Minus 89. So plus 89. 90 minus 1 plus 89. So 89 is the right answer. Correct? Okay, fine. Next, x minus 1 by x equal 1, then x square plus 1 by x square. So we have to use some identities for this type of questions. We have to use the identities: a square plus b square, a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. These are quadratic identities. So what is a square plus b square? X square plus 1 by x square. We can write x as a and 1 by x as b. So a square plus b square. There are two formulae. One is a minus b whole square plus 2ab, and one is a plus b whole square minus 2ab. But for this question we have to use a minus b whole square plus 2ab because a minus b is given. So x minus 1 by x whole square plus 2 into x into 1 by x. So it depends. Sometimes we write x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2x into 1 by x if the given condition is x plus 1 by x. Now x minus 1 by x is given 1. So what is x square plus 1 by x square? Then putting the value of x minus 1 by x, that is 1 square plus 2, because x and x cancel, that is 3. Jodi x square plus 1 by x square uliabo lage, amar duta formula ase. Eta hol a minus b whole square plus twice ab, eta hol a plus b whole square twice ab plus twice ab. A question to a minus b value diya ase because x minus 1 by x is 1. So we have to use this formula, and using this formula and putting the values, the value of the x square plus 1 by x square is 3. This is the right option. Okay? Good. Now, next question. The coefficient of x in the expansion of x plus 5 whole square is. Simple question, anybody can do. Coefficient of x. So what is x plus 5 whole square? We have to find out first this one. X square plus 2 into x into 5 plus 5 square. And what is the result? 10x plus 25. Okay. X square plus 10x plus, this question options are wrong. In this question, options are wrong. So sometimes at the time of typing, I also do not notice whether the answer will come or not directly by giving some options by mistake. So I have put 15, 25, 75 and 125. So can you say what should be the answer? What is the coefficient of x? Is plus 10. So answer is 10. Answer is 10. And these options A, B, C, D. By mistake answer is not here. So what is the answer? 10. So x or hobab hobo x plus 5 whole square jetia ami korim tetia x or hobab hobo 10. So right answer is that. Okay, this was the last question of today's class. So I have discussed a few MCQs. Then there is a part 2 MCQ. So I will come later for this part 2. And there are some very short answers type questions also. So one by one we will come to that in this channel. So thank you for watching the videos. Okay. Okay then, if you have learned something from this video, hit like button and subscribe the channel NJP Coaching. Also, not to miss the notification of this type of videos, press the bell icon. See you friends, keep learning. Thank you.